Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video singular and plural. Hola Miri learners, bienvenidos a este nuevo video. Yo soy Miriam y hoy vamos a ver las respuestas al vídeo singular y plural. Empecemos. Let's start. So here, what you have to do is to change the following sentences from singular to plural or vice versa. Let's see. If I say, it's a big cookie, then I'm going to change everything into plural. They are big cookies. I change it for they are. Big is an adjective, so I don't change anything, and cookie, I change it into cookies. We have good clients. I have a good client. We, I change it for I, then have, I don't change it. A good client. I don't change good. And client, I quit the S. Look here. This is a great application. These are great applications. I change these into these. Is into are. Great is an adjective, I don't change it. An application, applications, I add an S. We have an enormous library. I change we into I. And then I quit and I change library into the plural, libraries. Your imagination is amazing. I can say you in plural, your imaginations are amazing. So I add S here and I change is into are. This ladder is really big. These ladders are really big. So I change this into these. Ladder into ladders, I add an S and is into are. There is a highway here. There are highways here. I change is into are and highway I add an S. A big city is great for me. Here I quit A, so big cities are great for me. I change cities into plural, city into plural, and is into plural, are. My customer is terrible. So in plural, my customers are terrible. Be careful, I don't change the adjective, terrible. And then I add an S to customers, and I change is into are. The small engine doesn't work properly. The small engines don't work properly. Here I change engine into engines and doesn't into don't because this is the plural form. An inspection came today. So instead of an, I can say some. Some inspections came today. And here I add an S. There is a warning sign on the door. There are warning signs on the door. Here I change is into are. Warning, I don't change anything because this is an adjective here. And sign into signs, I add an S. Any other questions? Please write to me on the comments. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuándo subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.